Hi visitor of my channel, my name is Layla, and in this vlog I'm going to show my reset for summer. I'm going to clean up my space, like my room and everything, go out for a few delivery and just go to the shopping a bit, tiny bit, and enjoy nature to recharge and reconnect with it again. And that's basically it, what is going to happen here. I hope you will enjoy it, and please don't forget to subscribe and like. I will highly appreciate just a small channel, so thank you. This is the current state of my table. I need to make a deep cleaning. It is like all the things there. This is my sister's part, and honestly to start being productive I need to change all of this, put it on my shelves because they are pretty organized. I just need to make sure that it all works out and it's all nice and cute and cool, so we'll start with that. Also some random stuff here that doesn't really belong here that I need to take care of, and this corner with my mom's gorgeous flower which has some dust out there, so I need to take care of that, and also my book, all these things. So yeah, but the flower is gorgeous, what can I say. So this is the final result in a way. This is my place. I cleaned up everything, put it all this stuff. So here is my gratitude journal, then some work related things, and the book that I'm currently reading that you might saw in my previous vlog. If you didn't, please check out the previous one. This is some draft papers, my laptop, and I cleaned up space here to put all my sister's things and everything else. And of course these things are also now. I put all the bushes here and the cute plant. So yeah, we have missing out these ones to make the puzzle as a whole, but yeah, this is what it is. much for watching my video. I highly appreciate all your support, so please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm a tiny small channel owner, so any activity is important for me. Please let me know in the comments what type of videos you want to see next on my channel, and I'll be happy and more than glad to read them and go through them. Thank you so much again for watching, and see you in the next vlog. So have a blessed day. Bye.